Hello everyone, I'm Aishwarya. Welcome to our show, The Bottom Line. Today's headlines are: Piaggio creates another milestone even in challenging times, adds 100 dealership in 100 days. Nykaa Fashion present a curation of labels for Eid. Gramophone becomes the mantra of smart farming for millions of farmers in the corona pandemic. Bharatidasan University launches its online degrees. Vidyut Jamwal will set your screen on fire with full-on punch and action with End Pictures primer of the power. Piaggio Vehicles Private Limited, a 100% subsidiary of the Italian Piaggio Group, created another milestone of adding 100 dealerships across India in 100 days. This milestone reinforces the acceptance of the Piaggio brand and confidence in the company's future. Product lineup: PVPL now has a dealer network of more than 725 vehicle dealerships and 1100 touch points across all state and union territories in India. This comes as the Piaggio Group announced one of its best quarterly results. Next up is Nykaa Fashion, the multi-brand e-commerce fashion platform, present a curation of labels for Eid that reflect a sense of minimalism, offering something to suit every aesthetic and budget. From muted pastel Sahara set embellished with dainty detail, sharp kurta set in jewel tones to floral, or lightweight flowing lehengas, the added has more than what meets the eye. Shop for the Eid added on the Nykaa Fashion website and app. Next is, last year India witnessed a lockdown as an attempt to control the transmission. During this lockdown, the nation's farmers faced difficulties such as non-availability of seeds prior to sowing, non-availability of pesticides and natural products for the crop, as well as other agricultural related products which were not being available on time. Even in these difficult times, Gramophone, known as the true partner of farmers, stood strong by all the farmers and followed the corona guideline and provided solution to these problems. The Gramophone team continued to provide all kind of support to farmers via digital channel like Krishi Mitra app, missed call service, YouTube channel and Facebook Live and WhatsApp. With the help of a digital avenue, Gramophone extended its services to the farmers living in remote village. During this time, Gramophone made agricultural products available to the farmers at home, taking care of all the guidelines issued by the government. Gramophone extended its services to more than 1 lakh farmers in Madhya Pradesh. Next up is Bharatidasan University, one of the primary universities of Tamil Nadu, has announced its launch of online learning portal, which will offer the finest quality undergraduate and postgraduate degrees in multiple domains. The university made this special announcement as an initiative to drive greater access for high quality education as per the National Education Policy 2020. Next up is craving to watch some mind-blowing action movie this weekend. The wait ends here as End Picture brings to you the ultimate clash of the gangster with the primer of The Power on 15th May at 8 p.m. A treat to all action lovers, the movie stars full of punch, power and action kebab with Vidyut Jamwal. So catch End Pictures primer of The Power on 15th May at 8 p.m. जहां ये action kebab करेगा सबका game over. This is it for today. Thank you for watching triple.com.